Okay, so let's come back to exercise 11E. Exercise 11E. Hello. Okay, yesterday I talked about the last reason. Last reason in this chapter is the converse of angle in alternate sections. Okay, and that reason is for you to prove that the line is in tangent to a circle. Okay. So today I'd like to talk about some questions. Exercise 11E. And because I don't have much time left, okay? So I'm not going to give you time to work. Okay? Yes. Okay, my life is coming down. Okay. Yes, okay. Well, everyone is also like this, right? So your life is also coming down. Yes, but they're still counting down, right? So, as I'll just talk about the question I want to talk. Okay, so no one can stop me. Okay. So starting from question number 16, I just talk about the level 2 problems. Okay. 仲有就係嗱，聽日咧，仲有2堂嘅，咁咧我會嗱，因為呢度咧仲有一個 section 噶嘛，嗰個 section 咧，主要就係關於一啲 proof 嘅題目。咁 proof 嘅題目咧，同我哋而家學嘅題目有咩唔同咧？係冇唔同嘅，但係所有 reason 都要寫啱咁解嘅啫。OK， 但係大家聽日咧，聽日嗰2堂咧，我會揀呢啲題目咧，就係你本書裏邊或者之後嗰 exercise 咧，係所有關於 centers of triangle 嘅題目。OK， 咁我會講嗰啲in center 啊、circumcenter、oval center、central 嗰啲相關嘅題目。記住啊，嗰啲題目咧，即係關於嗰啲 center 嘅題目咧，每年 DSE 都會出嘅，每年都會嘅。OK， 每年都會喺最難嘅題目嗰度咧，會出呢啲咁嘅嘢嘅。今次唔肯定，即係你先係科嚟 DSE 嘛？科當然會係啦 ，OK， 即係唔一定會係啦，一定會，因為科你係跟 DSE 嘅格式嘅 ，OK， 大家可以放心。但係 DSE 咧一定會出嘅，得唔得？咁所以咧，我聽日2堂主要係講關於嗰啲 centers of triangle 嘅題目嚟嘅 ，OK， 得。咁啊，我會一路講噶啦。OK， so let's go to number 16. In the picture, AB touch the circle at T, and then P and Q are 2 points on the circle. POT is 68, QTP is 74. Find angle PTA. So I want to find this angle. 好嗱，講嘢嘅可以細聲少少啊，得唔得 ？OK。So in part A, I want to find angle PTA. 嗱，我講過咧，即係關於 tangent 嘅題目嘅話咧，得3個 reason 嘅咧，你記住3個 reason。第一個咧，我哋又有 tangent 又有 radius 嘅 ，OK， 我哋冇可能係用呢招嘅，得唔得？而家呢度咧 ，OT is the radius，AB is the tangent. So we are going to say that angle OTA is 90 degrees, tangent perpendicular radius, right? So part A, sorry, angle OTA is equal to 90 degrees, tangent perpendicular to radius. Okay, and then, so I just found that this angle is 90 degrees, The blue angle is 90 degrees, and I want to find the red angle. So if I can find angle OTP, then I can calculate the answer directly. But angle OTP is a base angle of the isosceles triangle OTP, right? And we know the third angle, so we can calculate angle OTP. Because OT is equal to OP, therefore, I can say that angle OTP is equal to angle OPT. And this is base angles isosceles triangle. And they are both equal to 180 degrees minus 68 degrees divided by 2. And this is angle sum of triangle. And then it should be equal to 56 degrees. Okay, I just found that this angle is 56 degrees. And the red angle will be 90 degrees minus the blue angle. So the required angle PTA should be 90 degrees minus 56 degrees. And that is equal to 34 degrees. It's okay? And then part B, angle OPQ. I want to find angle OPQ. That is this one. This green angle. Because we have found that this red angle to be 34 degrees. 34 degrees. Okay. And this 74 degrees is an angle between the tangent and the chord. 你哋認唔認得呢一個啊？即係74度啦，就係 tangent 同埋 chord 之間嘅 angle 嚟嘅。OK， 好啦，咁佢會等於邊一隻咧？佢係挨住邊嘅 chord 咧？挨住 QT chord QT。So it will be exactly equal to an angle at circumference, looking at the same chord, but on the outside of the circle. Angle in alternate segment 呢個咧，我講過咧係最難睇嘅。以往咁多屆嘅學生咧，最難睇係 angle in the same in alternate segment 嘅。我而家話174度等於 angle QPT。Can you see this? The black angle QPT。睇唔睇出呢個？ And black angle is equal to 74 degrees. I mean, 睇唔睇到啊？而家如果咁樣講嘅話，睇唔睇到啊 ？OK, this angle in alternate segment 啊，點樣揾咧？就係講完睇得到先，講咗出嚟睇得到先，都睇到係嘛 ？OK， 但係如果唔講出嚟嘅話，應該點樣去發現呢一樣嘢咧？都記住就係呢一個咧係一個 tangent。同埋一個 chord 之間嘅角嚟㗎嘛 ，OK？ 咁佢挨住邊隻 chord 咧，就係 TQ 呢隻 chord 啦，啊 ，OK？ 咁咧你就揾呢隻角，嗱而家係 chord TQ 嘅話咧，嗰隻 angle 就一定係 angle T 乜 Q 咁樣嘅 ，OK？angle T 乜嘢 Q？ 呢個咧得一個嘅 angle TPQ 得唔得？ 當然唔會嗱，會係 angle TOQ 嘅，即係唔會係 angle 係 centre 嘅，一定 angle 係 circumference 嘅。OK， 最多咧，可能會有另外一邊咧 T 第二個 Q 嘅話咧，就唔啱㗎啦。因為咧，你記住咧 ，alternate segment 咧 ，alternate 呢個字咧，即係 the other 咁解，即係要喺另外一邊嘅，而家呢74度咧係望住呢邊嘅，即係喺呢邊嘅，喺呢個 chord 嘅右手邊嘅。所以如果你角咧， 佢相等嘅角咧，就會喺呢個 chord 嘅另外一邊咁樣。OK， 所以就係 angle TPQ 呢一個啦。OK， 得唔得？嗱，又或者我講咗個諗法俾大家聽嚇。我講個諗法俾大家聽，即係 angle in alternate segment 點樣諗咧？你睇下，即係邊個會好特別？有啲係74度啦，74度啦，都係要諗翻挨住邊隻 chord 先，挨住 TQ 係咪？ 跟住咧，我哋揾個三角形出嚟。而家咧 TPQ 特別就係一個三角形啦。OK， 一定係 angle as circumference 嘅。好啦，我哋諗咧就係唔會係邊個講？呢個74度會唔會等於 angle PTQ 啦？係咪即係咪必然會等於 PTQ 啦？未必會等於佢隔離嗰隻噶嘛。OK， 一定係等於隔離嗰隻嘅。OK， 咁會唔會等於呢一隻咧 angle PQT 咧？亦都唔一定喎，因為如果係等於嘅話咧，其實就係平行線嗰隻我出啲 angle 嚟㗎嘛。OK， 所以又唔一定等於呢隻嘅，唔一定等於呢一隻，又唔一定等於佢隔離嗰隻。咁我就諗咧，就會等於第三隻啦，就係呢一隻啦。OK， 即係如果你有時記得咗係等於邊一隻嘅話咧，亦都可以咁樣諗翻嘅，得唔得？我就會再用下一題咧講多次呢個諗法啊。Okay, so now angle QPT should be equal to 74 degrees, and this is angle in alternate segments. Okay, and the black angle is 74 degrees now, and we have actually found that this blue angle and that blue angle are both equal to 56 degrees. So the green angle, that is the required angle, OPQ, should be equal to 74 degrees minus 56 degrees. So it should be equal to 18 degrees. And that is the answer of part B. Is that okay? 得唔得？嗱，因為我先 part A 咧已經揾咗咧，可能你藍色嘅角咧 base angles isosceles triangle 嚟㗎啦。Next one. So number 17. In the figure, AP and AQ touch the circle at X and Z respectively. Y is a point on the circle, and XYZ is 30 degrees. I want to find angle PAQ. PAQ is this one. Okay, the red angle. And we have the tangents PA and QA. Okay, we have two tangents. I need to use the tangent. Okay, so 嗱呢度咧，我哋有兩條 tangent 嘅話咧，我哋第一樣嘢可能會諗到嘅咧就係 tangent properties 係嘛 ？OK，tangent properties。OK， 好啦，咁但係呢度咧，我哋冇一條線去個 centre 度嘅，我哋咁樣樣，我哋 join XZ。Join XZ. Okay. Do you remember that for the tangent properties? If I draw two tangents from the same external point, AX and AZ, then these two line segments will be equal to each other. AX and AZ will be equal to each other. Okay? So this is an isosceles triangle, right? And well, actually, I don't need this. Because when I draw this line, I have angle AXZ. This one. 擘大啲先。呢隻角見唔見到咧？其實就係 angle between tangent and the chord XZ. Okay, this angle X is an angle between tangent and the chord. Okay, and then there should be an angle looking at the same chord on the other side of the circle, which will be equal to this angle. Okay, so this 30 degrees is looking at this chord, and on the other side of the circle, okay, on the other side of the chord. So these two angles will be equal to each other. See this angle in alternate segment. So I mean angle AXZ is equal to 30 degrees. Angle in alternate segment. And for the same reason, the other part, AZX, this angle. Can you see that? This AZX is another angle between the chord and tangent. Okay? So this 30 degrees is also looking at this chord and on the other side of the chord. So this 30 degrees and this angle will also be equal to each other. So angle AZX is also equal to 30 degrees. Angle AZX is, angle AZX is also 30 degrees for the same reason, angle in alternate segments. Okay? And finally, the rectangle XAZ or PAQ. PAQ is equal to 180 degrees minus 30 degrees minus 30 degrees. And this is angle sum of triangle. Okay? And this should be equal to 120 degrees. That is the answer. Can you get this? And this one is actually easy. 係嘛？用咗兩次嘅 angle in alternate segments 就可以揾到呢隻項啦。OK。好 ，next one。Number 18. Number 18. So in the figure, TF and DE are the tangents to the circle at A and C respectively. TBC is a straight line. And we have 38 degrees and 72 degrees. I want to find angle TAB in part A. Angle TAB is here.我想話你做呢啲題目嘅時候咧，你通常係可唔可以意識到咧，即係有留意到咧幾時係需要加線，幾時唔需要加線呢樣嘢㗎 ？OK 嗱，即係嗱講真咧，冇有特定嘅規矩嘅，即係冇一個特定嘅諗法嘅。但係咧，譬如咧，我見到呢個啊，呢隻咧 angle TAB 係咪 angle 即係我所講嘅 angle between tangent and chord 咁樣樣？咁我就你屈咗書嘅話咧，就會諗起呢隻角咧係可以等於嗰隻 angle in alternate segment 嘅。OK， 咁嘅時候咧，我就會諗下會唔會係加條 AC 咁樣樣咧？呢個 OK， 加條 AC。So I will join AC. Sorry. Can you see that? Can you see that when I join AC, this angle TAB will be equal to angle ACB. Okay, so let X be this angle first. Okay, and then this angle ACB will also be equal to X because of the angle in alternate segments. So this one is equal to X. And then 72 degrees is also angle between tangent and chord. And this will be equal to angle BAC. This angle BAC will be 72 degrees also. For the same reason, angle in alternate segments. Okay? So can you see that I am already very ready to find the value of X? Okay, by using the angle sum of triangle in triangle ATC. Okay. 38 degrees plus x plus 72 degrees plus x is 180 degrees. And this is angle sum of triangle. Okay, so 2x plus this is this. And then 2x is 70 degrees. So x is 35 degrees, which means that the required angle TAB, is 35 degrees. And that is the answer for part A. Is that okay? And then part B will be very easy because the question just asks us to find angle A Boise. A Boise is this one. When we have found the value of x, we just use angle sum of triangle in triangle ABC to calculate angle ABC. Okay, so angle ABC is 180 degrees minus 72 degrees minus x, that is 35 degrees. And this is angle sum of triangle. And that should be equal to 73 degrees. Okay, so that is the answer. Can you follow? Okay, next. '19. So AB is a tangent to the circle at P. Q, R, E are 3 points on the circle. AB is parallel to CD. Arc QE and arc EP are equal. And then the question asks us to find angle EPA. EPA is this angle. 好，第一樣嘢，唔使諗第二啲啦。第一樣嘢，你見到咧 ，arc QE is equal to arc EP。OK, equal arcs。我哋呢題咧，經常就揾角㗎嘛，係嘛 ？OK， 我哋一定要將呢個 equal arc 咧，將佢變翻做一個 equal angles 嘅。OK，so arc QE and arc EP, which two angles are looking at arc QE and arc EP respectively? In this diagram, there is no such angle at this moment. We need to add some line. Okay, you know which line? Just add, I just join ER. Join ER. Can you see that? These two angles should be equal to each other. Okay? These two green angles are looking at equal arcs. Therefore, these two green angles should be equal to each other, and each of them should be half of 74 degrees. Okay? So we can find this first. So let us do this. Because arc QE is equal to arc EP. Therefore, I can say that angle QRE is equal to angle ERP. And this is equal arcs, equal angles. And they are both equal to 74 degrees divided by 2. That is 37 degrees. Okay? Let me finish this question. You see that the rectangle will be exactly equal to 37 degrees. Okay? Okay, we are going to use the angle in alternate segments. Okay? This rectangle, angle EPA, is equal to 37 degrees. Like this. So that is the answer of part A. And then So this is 37 degrees. In part B, we want to find angle EQR. This one. 好，呢度咧我仲未用到嘅咧就係嗰個 parallel lines 係嘛 ？Okay, I'm going to use the parallel lines now. And this angle is equal to 74 degrees because of the parallel line. Okay, so angle RPB is equal to 74 degrees. This is alternate angles where CD is parallel to AB. Okay. And then we can calculate angle EPR. This one, EPR by adjacent angles on straight line. It's 180 degrees minus 37 degrees minus 74 degrees. Okay, and that should be equal to 69 degrees. So this one is 69 degrees. And can you see that? The required angle and this 69 degrees should be a pair of opposite angles of this cyclic quad. QEPR is a cyclic quad. Okay, so when we have found this 69 degrees, we can find the required angle. Therefore, the final answer should be 111 degrees. Okay, so that is the answer for part B. Okay, so let's continue tomorrow. Stand up. Goodbye, class.